Is it time to buy or sell IREN Energy stock? In this video, we're diving deep into IREN Energy. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has ranked IREN Energy as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.08. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 254.46% since we initially listed IREN Energy as a buy candidate 80 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.18% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. This stock resides in the upper part of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, which may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $23.74 will initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 123.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 87.50% to 130.05%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 41.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 51.20% to positive 42.25% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.24 and $32.77. Our latest daily update for IREN Energy includes the headline, "A positive day on Thursday for IREN Energy Limited stock after gaining 3.06%. The IREN Energy Limited stock price increased by 3.06% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. The price rose from $22.36 to $23.04. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.25%, with a low of $22.63 and a high of $24.27. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.75% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also rose on the last day, accompanying the price increase, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 12 million more shares were traded than the day before. Altogether, 27 million shares changed hands for approximately $618,440,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $24.27, while the lowest price was $5.13. Currently, the price is 5.07% or $1.23 below the 52-week high and 18.44% or $5.21 below the all-time high reached on the 17th of November, 2021, when the price hit $28.25. IREN jumps after a blowout Q4 and a string of AI wins. The company reported Q4 revenue of $187.3 million and net income of $176.9 million, posted record earnings for FY25, and flagged AI cloud annualized revenue of $200 to $250 million by December 2025. At the same time, IREN secured Nvidia preferred partner status and expanded its GPU fleet rapidly, adding 4.2K Blackwell B200s and then another 1.2K air-cooled B300s plus 1.2K liquid-cooled GB300s, bringing capacity to about 10.9K GPUs, backed by roughly $270 million of targeted financing for those purchases. Short-term, the earnings beat, concrete revenue guidance, and partner designation are driving upside sentiment and a stock rally. As investors reward clearer AI revenue visibility and improved supply access, Over the longer term, scaled GPU capacity, preferential Nvidia ties, and strong Bitcoin mining cash flow could materially lift margins and valuation if utilization and AI demand hold. Conversely, rapid fleet expansion and financing increase leverage and execution risk, so sustained growth will depend on demand for AI cloud services, GPU pricing, and power economics. Here are the latest analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned IREN a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, Macquarie rated IREN as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, B. Riley again assigned IREN a buy rating with a hold action. On Sunday, the 9th of February, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald gave IREN an overweight rating with an initialize action. Previously, on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, B. Riley rated IREN as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned IREN Energy stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for IREN Energy. The stock of IREN Energy Limited shows positive buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support may be found at the levels of $21.76 and $18.50. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is typically regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 0.346%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for IREN Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $18.59 and $18.15. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, IREN Energy Limited finds support just below today's level at $18.59. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.15 and $18.14. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a considerably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.64 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 7.25%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 8.78%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for IREN Energy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 17 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IREN Energy. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for IREN Energy is at $23.12. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, IREN Energy encounters its first support level at $18.59. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IREN Energy from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of July 2025, Christopher Gazowski conducted an insider purchase of 39,168 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July 2025, William Gregory Roberts conducted an insider purchase of 1,793,392 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July 2025, David James Bartholomew conducted an insider purchase of 48,960 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July 2025, Daniel John Roberts conducted an insider purchase of 1,793,392 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July 2025, Sunita Parasuraman conducted an insider purchase of 39,168 shares of ordinary shares. Based on the 25 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 92.142. Overall, insiders purchased 10,733,554 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 25 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.18, reflecting a decrease of 3.74%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is IREN Energy stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for IREN Energy Limited stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we anticipate that IREN Energy will open higher by 273 cents, starting at $23.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.